Okay guys, I'm currently back up here in the second floor master bathroom, and I had a couple of users request to see the jacuzzi tub in action. So that's what I'm going to do here for you. If you're hearing any noise in the background, it's because we're having some more crown molding installed in a couple of rooms and part in that playroom too, so I have the main room door closed right now. But anyway, here it is. It's just your typical Kohler jacuzzi tub. Some people did ask a question I initially did, like why did they put the faucet here instead of over there? And they actually said because that way when you want to turn the faucet on or off, you don't have to reach over. It's right here at the front, so I guess that makes sense. And it has a really good drain, like, no fancy mechanism to bring it up or down. So what I can do is, the tub's dry, so I can just step right into it. Here we go. And basically, if you turn it, if you turn it, they'll catch a certain section where it can drop down, like that, and close off the drain. See? Very good. So then, let me get back out here. Okay. And you can see it has 6 jets. There's 3 here by the faucet, and 3 on the other side, and that grate right there is the intake for the pump, and the power switch is right there. So, okay, so drain's closed, and let's fill it up. Since this is only for demonstration purposes, we're just going to use the cold water. So we'll turn that on, and a nice stream of water there. Now, the water heater is 75 gallons and it's natural gas, but if we're just going to be doing this for demonstration purposes, there's no reason to use up hot water, make it simpler. And the tub's filling up nicely. And the power switch for the tub is actually connected into this GFCI switch right here. See that right there? So it's on, you can do the test. And when the red, I don't know if you can see that, but the red LED comes on. There you go. That means it's a trip, and then you just hit reset, turn it back on, and the tub will work just fine. Okay, so we'll go ahead and fill this up, and then get back to you when it's just about where it needs to be. Okay, we're kind of at like a halfway point of sorts. See, it's covering the grate nicely, and the jets are pointed kind of up right now, just so you can see the water currents if need be. The housings do turn left and right. I don't know if that's to change, how strong the water is, or if that just changes, maybe just the direction of the jets, or how much air. And I don't really see an air inlet here, so I don't know. But yeah, so basically, the things do move left and right. Maybe I'll demonstrate that when the camera's off. I just, I don't want to get the camera wet, obviously. So, yep, water's coming up nicely. So, okay, be back to you when it's up to the right level. Okay guys, I think that should be a good enough amount of water. We're coming up to the overflow drain, so yeah, that's a good amount, so let's shut it off. Okay, and simple enough. First of all, we do have town water here, which is really nice, not a well water, so I'm very happy about that. And you can see the color of the water looks pretty good, so we'll just go on over and hit the switch, and it should get going. Boy, did you hear that sound right there? It sounded like a lot of air had to get out. Yeah, it does pretty well. You can see it kind of, let's see, it really collects up in the middle there, I guess because most of the jets are facing right there. Almost kind of looks like when you blow out the main drains of swimming pools, you have that big amount of bubbles there. And let me see, I'll put my hand down here. Okay, this feels kind of weak, so if okay, I see what it does now. Right now, if you turn the housings clockwise, it actually closes off the jet. And so this one right here is really weak right now, so if I turn it counterclockwise, and then face it up, oh yeah, see? So that's what it does. You can actually control which jets you want on and off. Like, let's say over here, you actually can see some air coming through, so yeah, it's pretty cool. How's this one? Where is it? This one's pretty strong, I guess. Open it up, face it up. Yep, there it is right there. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. You can actually control which jets you want on, I guess. I never knew that until now. That's actually really cool. Yeah, I'll probably use this tub eventually someday. Let me just face that down a little bit. It's making a little bit of splashing. There we go, that's better. Yeah, you can see, let's see. It looks like there's air coming out of this jet. You can kind of see it. This one over here, and that, I think this, yeah, maybe you can see it like right there. You see that? Hopefully it's coming out okay in the video. That's a pretty fancy tub, huh? I'll go over here and let me just step up carefully. Let me see if I can control the jets on this side here. Let's see, here's the, oh yeah, this one's already fully counterclockwise, so it's fully open. This is the grate. Can you feel the suction on here? Oh, the suction's not that bad on it, honestly. I put my hand against it and it doesn't like hold my hand, so that's good. They were smart when they designed that. Let's see how this one is. Yeah, that one's fully counterclockwise. Then there's another one in the opposite corner over there. Well, how should I get over there? I can walk across here carefully. Walking behind the window. Okay. Let's see how this jet here is. This one's pretty weak, so it's probably closed. There we go. Face it up just a little bit. Okay, so then they have like two water currents fighting each other. It's kind of funny. But yeah, here's your tub operation. I know a couple of you guys wanted to see this. Let me step down carefully. There we go. It's yeah, I never knew you could control the flow until now. So yeah, there you guys go. Let you watch it for a little bit, I guess. And it's not too loud either. Like you don't hear too much of a pump noise. Just I'm hearing the air compressor right now for the work that they're doing outside in the hallway. But yeah, the sound of this tub really isn't that bad. You just mostly hear the water currents and like a gentle hum from the pump. So that's really good. And just letting you have a look again. I see a couple of small splashes here and there, but when someone's actually in the tub, it probably helps it. And yes, you can always lower the jets if need be. And it seems like most of the air comes from this side, because those jets on the far side are fully open, but I don't see too much air, so I guess this one has air, and this one is just full water. Yeah, there you go. Okay guys, so let me just dry my hand off here and then we'll stop the tub and we shall drain the water. Alright guys, so here we go. So obviously to stop the water, you just hit the button again. Yeah, it calms down nice and fast. Okay, so then once all that's said and done, then what I'll do is let's open the drain and drain the water. And there's something I'll do with the jets too to make sure that all the water is out of the system when it drains. I'm guessing it'll go through the intake grate, but you also want to make sure that nothing's left in the pump system itself. So I've got to do this as carefully as I can. Let me hold the camera here. Yeah, this will work. Pull the drain up. There we go. Oh, whoops. Got to find the right spot so it doesn't, let's see. Ah, there it is. Oh, not quite. Wow, this is harder than I thought. Kind of find like the right. There we go. Yeah, it's like very picky when you try to find the spot where to drain the water. Okay. So I dried my hand off and I just guess I just did that, huh? Yeah, this drains at a pretty good pace. Yeah, while I'm at it, let me quickly run my hand on the towel here. Okay. And here it goes through the overflow drain. All right, well, I'll stop right here and come back when it's just about fully drained. I'm actually hearing some gurgling sounds. Oh, there's a little vortex there. I'm actually hearing some gurgling sounds in the jets, so it probably means that the water's back flowing out. It should be, at least. I'll give it a little shot of that. Oh yeah, you can see water coming out of the jets now. Oh, so maybe there was like there's like an air escape from the intake grate, and it's letting the jets drain out now. Okay, the water's just about out. Yep, and there it goes. And if there's any little debris here and there on the floor, you can just like hit the faucet a couple times, just to help flush it out. That should be good. Okay, so now the last thing I do is I'm going to face the jets down and see if any water comes out of them. And okay, so I don't see anything coming out, so that way if there's any water inside, facing them down should allow any water to drain. And yeah, nothing's coming out, so it probably is fully drained. Yeah, look at that. On this side here too. Yeah, that's it. So they're all empty. Very, very good. All right, guys, and there you go. There's your demonstration you wanted of the Kohler jacuzzi tub, or Whirlpool tub, however you want to say it. Hope you enjoyed that, and hope it was a good video for you. Thank you very much for watching, and take care.